Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go around and do some gardening updates. So, since last time I made a video, we added this beautiful hoop. So the reason behind this, we're gonna have some roses that just gonna all climb over. That's gonna be like a little paradise over here. Let's go inside, see what we added more. So we got these raised garden beds. We stained them. We put some panels on top because of the excessive heat and we don't want the plants to get destroyed. And these are watermelons that just started growing by accident, which is a good thing. Nature is great. We got plenty of plants over here, as you see. And these are the new flowers that I discovered and I love them. See, these are really good. We added more trees actually. Yeah, later on in a future video, I'm gonna add a watering system. So it's gonna water the plants, it's gonna keep the soil moisturized. Instead of like watering the whole garden every day, it's just gonna keep the whole garden moisturized, especially during the heat time, especially July. Just gonna get crazy. Gonna make sure our plants are getting enough water. Nice tomatoes, as you see. My favorite flower, marigold. Sunflowers, see, they're actually really tall. Asparagus says, as you see. And another beautiful thing and interesting thing, these asparaguses gonna get even higher than this sunflowers. They're gonna pass them eventually, which is pretty interesting. Let's go around. We added 2 blueberries again. Yep. Let's check this new added garden bed. I call this our salad section. We use all these vegetables, we eat them, and we use them, plenty of them in our salads. And these are not weed. We planted these flowers for birds, and they're supposed to attract more birds actually, which we love birds. Then let's go over here, another salad section, which we're so proud of. We added more garden beds, as you see. I think the last time it was like 3 months ago probably that I added a garden video. So I'm gonna do more often since the plant's gonna start growing. Look at these beautiful beans. These are beans and they're so beautiful. We got more garlics. This is like a berry and garlic section over here. I have to fill up that garden bed in the end as well. I probably do it today. Another salad section. We got our pear tree. Let's see. This is the flower section. All the flowers gonna attract bees. You see our grape. It's been nice and neat. Our peach tree. I don't know if you noticed, but there has been a lot of changes, especially like we stained all that new raised garden beds, so it's gonna stay nicer and longer. We added chairs and table. We still need to do a lot of stuff, like make this place even more beautiful. Let's go check the other garden section as well. As you see, we added 2 more raised garden beds on the side, boxes. We added an entrance, put a nice new hoop over here. There you go. As you see, we added another hoop over here. We're gonna build a nice plants coming over. It's gonna be really nice and neat. I'm gonna be almost done with that garden bed probably today. We added another nice hoop on the other side. This section is getting better and better. Another pear tree, fig. Our apricot is doing really, really good too. Let me show you more closely. Today is a little less windier, so I said, let me just take advantage. Yep, our apricots. See? Almost there. Probably in like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, we'll be able to harvest our apricots as well. Actually, we had some cherries. Let me see if they're ready. That's gonna be fun to see. Let's go check our cherries. We added a walnut tree as well. Let's check the cherry. Then we go check the walnut as well. This is our cherry tree, see? One cherry over here. I noticed last week there were some, oh, there you go. Cherries. So this year we're gonna have some cherries from our beautiful garden. We have to be more patient. Our walnut tree, almost 7 feet tall. And we're gonna wait for the rest of the stuff. Our pomegranate is whatever this year. That's why we bought another one, put it over there. Whipping willow is getting pretty big, pretty nice. And our mint section. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Stay tuned. There are gonna be a lot of changes coming soon. We're gonna have more videos. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below if you have any other question. Have a wonderful, blessed day.